But before starting with the DSL of Elasticsearch, I wish to introduce the way search engines are working. We need to provide a similarity between the query and any document inside the search engine. For this, we need to use an autonormal, and this autonormal is made of vectors. And imagine that you have a vector for each word. So it's a multi-dimensional autonormal. So you need to have one vector for Jedi, for instance, and one vector for princess. And this query based on the two words, we wish to look on every document inside the plot or inside the title of the movie. So we need to make the distance, the similarity between one document, for instance, here is Star Wars Episode 2, and the query. And you have an angle here. And if we look at directly this, we can say that this angle says that the word princess is more present inside the document than the word Jedi. And if we look at another document inside, we need to make the difference from the Star Wars Episode 4 and Star Wars Episode 2 from each other. And if we make the cosinus directly of this angle, so projecting this vector on this one, you have the similarity from this vector to another. And more the vector here is in the same direction, it says that it has the same meaning. So it's more close to the query. So if you have this kind and you have several documents, so we can say that Episode 2 speaks more of princess than Episode 4. But if we could focus on other documents, you can tell that in the plot of Episode 6, we speak only about Jedi and not about the princess. But interestingly, in the whole dataset, we have also the movie Shrek, and Shrek speaks about the princess. It does not speak about the Jedi, of course. But this vector has also a cosinus with a variable here just to project directly on this vector. So it has a meaning according to this query, but this meaning is less relevant than Star Wars Episode 2. So that's it. You have the links between the different documents and how the search engine works in order to sort every document from the database inside the search engine in order to provide a ranked list of documents. So this cosinus, in order to be efficient, we need to process the TF, and this TF is term frequency, and this term frequency is normalized according to all the words inside the document, of course. And in order to have less weight on these kind of words like of or the that are well placed in every document, we need to get the inverse document frequency. And if a word is present in too much documents, it's a stop word like of or the. But if you take, for instance, Jedi, it's not present in many documents, so it's a very important word. So that's it. The cosinus relies on the TF and EDF. And when we will do the practice work on Elasticsearch, all the results will be sorted according to your query. So it is important to look at these words in order to understand how the result will be provided to the end user.